In this video, I will show you how to download and play Mobile Legends on PC or laptop. Firstly, you should go to Google and search for BlueStacks. Click first link in search, and I will leave website link in description. Now on website, press download and then again click on download. Now select download BlueStacks 10. If download was blocked, press on pop-up and select download undefined file and downloading will start. When download is completed, click on downloaded and start installation process by pressing install now and I agree. Installing process will take a while. After it's completed, launching will start. Now go to search. I search for Mobile Legends and in drop-down click on the game. Now click on Install App Player. First time using it, you will be asked to log in into your Gmail account. In this pop-up, click Install from Google Play. Now sign in. Enter your Gmail account, then password to login. If you have two-factor authentications, then verify you sign in with your phone. Press Don't turn on a new pop-up. Agree and accept in Google pop-ups. And now you can install Mobile Legends by pressing Install button. Now everything will be like in the phone. Game will download, and then you can press play. This will load game. Pressing F11 will game full screen. Simply create your character and enjoy the game on your PC. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!